Most of us want to have a pet dog to come home to after a long day's work. But because of our hectic schedules and busy lifestyles, we have second thoughts of getting one since we can't really take care of our pet properly. However, there is still hope. There are certain dog breeds that are fun and very low maintenance. These dogs can practically live anywhere as long as they are given the right amount of attention, love and care. Bolognese. Small and playful, this breed is a great apartment dog. The Bolognese originated in Italy where they became very popular companions amongst nobles and royal courts. Bolognese dogs do not really have a lot of health issues and they only need occasional walks. They are very smart and easy to train. However, they can be a little reserved when it comes to strangers, but they get along very well with other animals and kids. Japanese Chin. Japanese Chins actually originated in China and were bred in Japan. They are small dogs, weighing at around 8 to 12 pounds. These dogs are not very active and prefer to lounge around. Their coats need regular combing and brushing so that it does not mat, but they do not shed a lot. Health-wise, these dogs are prone to a few illnesses. They tend to get sick with heart problems, cataracts, back problems, and luxating patellas. Greyhound. Known to spend more time on the tracks than anywhere else, greyhounds are actually low-maintenance dogs that are perfect for condominiums and apartments. They have very short coats so grooming is not a problem. Usually, greyhounds are gentle, quiet, and loving dogs that are very smart and easy to train. However, these dogs are known to have very sensitive skin and may have problems coping with extreme temperatures. Bullmastiff. Most people have second thoughts about getting a bullmastiff. These large dogs look scary because of their size, but they're actually pretty docile. These dogs were once bred to take down prey or intruders, hold them down and wait for their owners to come. Despite the bullmastiff size, it's actually a low-energy dog, making it perfect for apartment dwellers. However, it will need some space to lounge around since they are better off living inside with their owners than outside alone. Because of their size, these dogs are also prone to degenerative myelopathy. Degenerative myelopathy causes them to lose control of their nerves and can lead to full body paralysis.